Waters in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Patapsco, including Baltimore Harbor, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 25 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 27 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving southeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.